I knelt down this morning, Bible on my chest, asked the Lord for silence, but my heart wouldn't rest. Every prayer I whispered came back like a storm, questions crashing louder than the church bells warn. They say they're fighting righteous, say they're standing tall, but I can't see the forest when they're staring at the wall. Truth don't need a megaphone, peace don't need a crowd. God ain't in the chaos, He ain't in the sound. You can call it love, you can call it grace, but mercy without truth just erases the line. If nobody's answering, nobody's wrong, we don't heal the wound, we just sing it a song. God ain't the author of confusion and noise, He don't trade peace for angry little lies. Mercy and truth, they're meant to collide, not pulling this world to opposite sides. You can shout for the broken, yeah, I know that's right, but who's crying for the ones who paid their whole damn life? If honey's in the distance and we're swarming the mess, don't blame the bee when truth don't convince. There's a man with silver hair, counting pills at night, worked 50 damn years just to barely survive. Checks getting smaller while the costs climb high, and nobody marches when the old man cries. Hospitals overflowing, flow stretched thin, so they reach a little deeper in the pockets of him. They say it's compassion, say it's all for good, but justice ain't justice when it bleeds. Who should? Bible says honor the ones who came first. Gray hair's a crown, not a curse. If we forget our fathers, our mothers too, we're digging the grave we'll one day move into. God ain't the author of confusion and noise, He don't trade peace for angry little lies. Mercy and truth, they're meant to align, not tear this old world down one heart at a time. You can fight for the future, wave every sign, but don't step on the past just to prove you're kind. If honey's in the distance and we're loving the mess, don't blame the bee, and truth's quietly. Say Jesus was wandering, He crossed that land. Yeah, He walked in obedience, just like the plan. He told her go free, but He still said sin no more. Grace ain't cheap love, it's a higher door. Truth don't scream, it don't beg a bite, it just stands there patient in the quiet light. I ain't here to argue, I ain't here to win. I'm just asking you to look at them, then look within. God ain't the author of confusion and noise, He don't bless disorder wrapped up His choice. Mercy and truth, they walk hand in hand, not mercy alone on sinking sand. One day you'll be old, feel time in your bones, praying someone sees you when you're standing alone. So teach us to number these fleeting days before wisdom slips quietly away. Lord, let us love without losing the truth. Susan, I love you to the end.